Section 4, income tax rate on non-resident alien individual. Non-resident alien engaged in trade or business within the Philippines. Tsaka non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business in the Philippines. Yung isa, non-resident engaged. Isa, non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business. Kung non-resident alien engaged in trade or business siya, kung paano tayo nag-discuss doon sa resident and citizen, yung sinasabi kong 8% at saka graduated tax rate, applicable sa kanila yan. Pero pagdating sa non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business, subject sa final tax na 25%. Upon the entire income received from all sources within the Philippines by this taxpayer, such as interest, cash, or property, dividend, rent, salaries, wages, premiums, lahat ng klase ng income niya, regardless of name, subject yun sa final tax rate na 25%. The preferential income tax rate before has already been vetoed. That was included in the train before, but the president has already vetoed that portion wherein a non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business, wherein some of the non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business are given preferential tax rate of 15%. Ito yun, no, yung mga employees ng regional operating headquarters of multinational companies, area headquarters, offshore banking units, and petroleum service contractor and subcontractors. Yung mga employees dito noon ng mga multinationals, and meron silang preferential tax rate na instead of 25% on gross income, 15% lang sa kanila. Yan yung tinatawag na power of the president to veto. That was just the veto of the president. Now we go to illustration 9. Ito yung alien employed in multinational corporation. Kasi petroleum service contractor siya, no? May service compensation income siya na 5 million. Ang computation ng tax din niya, ginamitan ng graduated tax rate. All employees of our revenue headquarters, revenue operating headquarters, offshore banking units, and petroleum service contractors and subcontractors shall be subject to regular income tax rate under Section 24, graduated, as amended, without prejudice to the application of preferential tax rate under existing international treaties if warranted. So, merong option dito sa discussion dito. Kasi no, nagtuturo ako, ang sinasabi ko lang talaga, kapag meron siyang income na 5 million, that 5 million will be subjected to the 15% tax rate or 25% gross. Kasi nga, ano sila, non-resident alien not engaged. So, yun yung tax rate nila. Pero dito kasi sa discussion dito, sabi, pwedeng gamitan ng graduated tax rate or yung preferential tax rate. Siguro, kung alin yung mas beneficial, yun ang gamitin niya. Kasi allowed naman under this regulation. Allowed na mag-compute using the graduated tax rate or the tax rate na 25%. So, if we're going to compute for the 25% here, magkano tong 25% ng 5 million? So, pwedeng gamitin yung 25%. Mas maliit 1,250,000 lang kaysa gagamitan mo ng graduated tax rate. O kung saan mas maliit yung tax na babayaran, may option na gamitin ng alien. Pero hindi ko nakita kasi ito I'm not so sure of this provision, kung saan nanggaling tong all employees shall be subject to a regular income tax rate under Section 24A. Hindi ko alam saan galing yung tong provision na to, hindi ko pa nakikita. Hindi ko nakita sa pag-aaral ko. Ang nakita ko lang ay yung 25% or 15%. But having been said here, so we might as follow this illustration. So, pero kung gagamitin natin, 25%, mas makakamura yung taxpayer. So, yung taxpayer, gagamitin nun, 25% na lang.